Okay, so for barbell hip thrust, obviously barbell. If your gym has bumper plates, like bigger weights like these are only 10 pounds, but they're bigger, and that gets the bar up off the ground so I can roll it onto me fairly easy. If you go to roll it up and your thighs are in the way, you can put these skinny plates next to you and roll the bar up on it, and it raises them up. It makes it easier to get it into place. You want a pad for the bar? If your gym doesn't have one of these, you can get them on Amazon, or I'll take the thin yoga mats and fold it a few times and just tuck it right onto my lats so the bar doesn't like rub into your bones, your hips, and your pelvic bone. You want only your shoulder blades on the bench behind you. And when you go to set up, you want to bring your heels back so that when you're at the top of the thrust, you should have about a 90-degree angle at the hip. 90-degree angle at the knee. And always keep your chin tucked down. So whether you're at the bottom or the top of the rep, your chin should be tucked close to your chest. Okay, so here we go. So we got 90 degrees, chin tucked in, squeeze the butt at the top. And then notice too my shoulder blades up here. It's not my neck and it's not my mid back. It's just my shoulder blades back here.